Hello guys, welcome to Bashu's Academy. Still who are not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe it and click on the bell icon. Today I am going to discuss about difference between the andragogy model and pedagogy model. In the previous class I discussed about andragogy model and pedagogy model as well as heterogogy model. But I didn't discuss about the difference between andragogy and pedagogy model. So in this class I am going to discuss about andragogy as well as pedagogy model. It is very simple as well as very understandable to you people. Please focus on the video. So difference between pedagogy model and andragogy model. From pedagogy to andragogy, here in this pedagogy model, teacher centered. I already explained everything in the pedagogy model as well as andragogy model, but we need to know about the difference between the pedagogy as well as andragogy. So in this pedagogy model, teacher centered and fixed designs. So in this pedagogy model, teacher centered only. Here there is no what it called activeness in the students from the student. Here teacher only active participant. So what teacher decided, what teacher designed the what it called designed the rules, according to that rules the student will follow that rules only. So here design fixed here. But in this andragogy model, it is learner centered, purely learner centered, flexible in process. Okay, it is flexible in process, it is not mandatory, because it is a student centered, so that's why it is not mandatory for the mandatory rules as there. So from pedagogy model, teacher direction and decisions. In this pedagogy model, teachers only took directions as well as decisions. So they only main what it called cm or pm to the class. So there is no what it called active participation from student. Learners autonomy here, in this andragogy model, learner only the learners autonomy means learner have some freedom to do some activities and everything. What it called, learners have so many power in this andragogy model. So here in the pedagogy model, teachers guidance and monitoring of learning. In this pedagogy model, teacher giving the student some guidance as well as monitoring the student how to read, how to write, how to memorize, and etc things. The teacher from teacher guidance and monitoring, the learner should learn. In this andragogy model, teacher facilitation, support and encouragement for learner. So in this andragogy model, teacher should not giving any guidance to learner, just the facilitating to student, to learner, how to which book is good for you, which book you go through it, and which book is very important to you. So just they facilitate and support. They supports to the student as well as giving some encouragement to the to learners. In this andragogy model, there is a difference between andragogy and pedagogy. Passive reception in learning. So here learning, here passive reception is there. Here the student learner is passive. Okay, the teacher will active, learner will passive here, because he can't participate every time with the teachers. So he can't ask any questions, he can't go their own thinkings. In this pedagogy model, in andragogy model, active participation in learning. So here the learner active participating in the learning process, learning with the four walls of the classroom. In the pedagogy model, it is learning in the four walls of classroom, what I discussed in the previous class. So uh, learning, okay, in this pedagogy model, always learning in the four walls only, like school, high school, primary school. So lkg, ukg we can say as an example of the pedagogy model. So here learning in the wider social context. So in the andragogy model, learning is wider social context. So here learner can go anywhere, get a very good knowledge from the with the social context also here. Okay, In this pedagogy model, knowledge as given and fixed. Here the some what it called knowledge and what references are fixed. So syllabus is fixed for what is given, and it is fixed also. Okay, it is no any changes to the from the teachers as well as students. So what is there in the syllabus, we should learn that much only, that much fixed learning only. In this what it called andragogy model, multidisciplinary education will focus. Multidisciplinary means we can uh, go from out of the syllabus, we can read out of the syllabus, we can go for any other books, journals, anything we need, we want. So we are interested in the in reading. So okay, disciplinary focus here, disciplinary focus means the student will come with like this some disciplinary activities are there in the pedagogy model. So in this andragogy model, multidisciplinary educational focus, here there is no discipline for the students, but focus to the education, focus to knowledge. Okay, learner exposure. Learner exposure means nothing but here learner exposure means nothing but here learner only expose. Okay, he only exposure here, multiple and divergent exposure. Here there is no here there is no rules to linear exposure, sorry, linear exposure, multi, yeah, linear exposure means nothing but if you want to expose anything from the student, he should expose some what it called rules and regulations. Some linear means it should be follow the rules and regulations. Here in the andragogy model, multiple and divergent exposure, here there is no rules, we can go anywhere, we can get we can grab the knowledge in everywhere. We can read any books of the sources, any books, and we can refer any sources from the net. Okay, assessment is short. Here the assessment is short. In this andragogy model, assessment is multi various and continuous. Here continuous assessment, here short assessment. So guys, how is my video? Please comment the below comment section, and if you like the video, click on the like button. If you have any suggestions, please comment in the comment box, and please, who are first watching my video, please share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. You will get very fast notification. I'm what it called I'm doing only short videos, because of you should understand, you should first understand the topics as well as you should understand the concept. That's why I'm doing short videos every day. So if you want any more what it called more long videos, you can comment in the comment section. I will do okay, I will prepare more long videos in the upcoming days. If you like, if you okay for this short videos like 10 minutes videos, around 10 to 15 minutes videos, oh then okay for me. So if you want more long video, you can comment in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. So thank you guys. How is my video? Please comment in the below comment section. Thank you so much.